Everybody think that your welding coach is just another welding page, but it's not. It's actually an organization, family, and it's growing. I started this journey because welding saved my life, and I wanted to help use the same skill to help save someone else. Sometimes we only look at the blue collar trades as hard work, sweating, outside, working long hours, rigid work. We look at it as being frowned on, and so we looked at the more desk jobs and the more high-tech jobs as being more interesting, and that's what we push to the youth. And now we're seeing that those jobs are being replaced, non-existent anymore. You have people that spent money on degrees that can't even get a job in that field that's still paying debt on that. Welding is an opportunity where not only can you build a skill to get you a job, to start you a career, but you can also start you a business, a side hustle, an organization. And that's what I did with your welding coach. Right now I'm partnering with Arkansas Baptist College, and our goal is to build up a welding program that helps the inner city and the youth. The goal is to teach them more than just a welding trade to help them get a job. We can start with the basics, but we can't reinvent the wheel. The people need more than that, and that's what I wanted to produce. I didn't want it to create a typical everyday welding school. That's why the majority of my followers are online. I wanted to be hands-on and show you that it can be done. So I've been putting in the work, family, brick by brick, building this thing, getting the concept out there, getting the content out there, doing the partnerships, shaking hands, building the brands, so that way I can deliver this the right way. Now I'm teaming up with different people who's been doing the same thing that I've been doing, just in a different skill. And we're coming together and we're building an organization that can outlive us, that can educate people no matter where we find you at, no matter where you're at in your life and what direction you want to be. If you want to learn the basics, if you want the top to do business and make products, if you're trying to get some students and some people trained to work for you, but you don't have the time to just teach them or the time to train someone, but you want them to come in ready to go. Our goal is to build not only a curriculum to help the inner city, but also for the big companies, for the fab shops, for the steel companies that need people to walk in like they already been working there, fam. And that's what your welding coach is about. It's about safety, fam. I'm 46 years old. I got all of my members and they say, "You wear glasses?" Yes, I've been wearing glasses all my life, fam. And the only thing that's getting me now is age, just getting up a little bit. But other than that, I'm good, fam. I got everything because I believe in PPE. I believe in safety. And I want you to show up the same way. I want you to leave the same way you showed up is what I mean. So while we're building this team, fam, we're trying to help more than just this area. We're trying to help everyone in the nation, even in other countries that need this type of training. Our goal is to show them not only just the welding, like I said before, but we're teaching them fabrication. We're teaching them life skills. We're teaching them entrepreneurship. We're showing them how they can get a skill, how they can order equipment, how they can order material, how they can document the journey, fam. Document the journey, even when they first start. So as soon as they sign up, they start documenting because we're teaching them how to build their own brand. It's about helping people develop the things that's already inside of them. And that's why we're looking for people, not someone for a job. That's why this is a partnership proposal, because I'm not just looking for someone to fill a position. Fam, we're building a team, and I need someone who's been doing something for 10, 20, and 30 years. That way you feel the need that it's more than just a check now. It's a mission, it's a legacy. But you want to live good too. You want to make some money too. So we can kill several birds with one stone. You know, that's an old scripture to say, do not muzzle the ox that tills the field. We're not going to do that, fam. We work hard, so we should eat hard. You know what I mean? We shouldn't be hungry on our mission. So our goal is to put a team together to not only just help the youth, but anyone that's trying. We're not trying to force feed. We're not trying to just get money from people just because they're throwing money into education. No, imagine this as the Scottie Pippen the Jordan, the LeBron, the Kobe, all the top stars from basketball to baseball, from Bo Jackson, from Denzel, like from acting to everything, from Samuel. Just think of the major, and you come in here getting the opportunity to get a small skill and blow it up. Blow it up, fam. You know what I'm saying? Blow it up so you can plant something that you can sprout. And we show you this in full time, in real time, with the brands that represent me, with the brands that I deal with the people that I network with. My whole goal is to help you and introduce the same thing to you. And we're building up something that's going to outlive us. We're building something we're going to be able to help other people, like I say, in other countries. And we also have the website up, so those go check it out, yourweldingcoach.com. That's yourweldingcoach.com. And for those who are interested in this opportunity, I would like you to go visit me. Hit me up on joe@yourweldingcoach.com. That's joe@yourweldingcoach.com. Send me an email. Let's discuss it, because our goal is to really help you, fam. Really help people get into a good situation. If you feeling burnt out and you want to still do your job, but you want to be able to do this, be a part of this organization, be on the board, you still can, fam. It's going to be a win-win situation, but we're building a strong team. You can see my background. You see what I'm about. You see how passionate I am. And we only want people to be a part of it that have the same passion. We're not trying to pull nobody's teeth, fam, to help people. So if you feel like this is for you, please email me. The business line is 501-400-5806. I was established in Little Rock in 2022, family. So my business has been going. Your Welding Coach is active now. Right now, I got over, family. I got actively over 150,000 subscribers just on the Your Welding Coach brand alone. So if you can look me up on YouTube, you can look me up on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, also X, Your Welding Coach. So, and if you're cool with me, fam, come down and fool with me, visit the website, be a part of the brand, fam, because what we're doing now is unprecedented. We're doing something that's different. We're being innovative. We have a vision. And if you have a vision to do something different, we all know that it's going to take to do something different, fam. So I appreciate those who've been following me, liking, sharing the channel. Check out the school, fam. If you got someone that want to come down here and learn, visit meta24.org. Very important piece to the school, fam. What they're doing, what they're building in Little Rock and in Chicago, and in the other cities they have, Detroit, and in Harlem they have programs. Check out Meta24 Instagram as well. I'm connected with them. I believe in the vision, fam. We have to get the skills that pay the bills. We can't just think one way. And before I end this, fam, I just want to say Dr. King had something that really, really inspired me once it sat in. His last message. He was talking to a gentleman and he said he felt grieved. He said he felt disturbed because he realized he has led his people into a burning house. He realized what he have done isn't really going to help them, fam. They need finances. We need skills. We need ownership, fam. And that's the main thing that Your Welding Coach is all about. Turning your skill into ownership is the long-term goal, fam. Ownership, owning something of your own. And that's what he said it grieved him, fam. And we all know what happened. He never made it to get the finances, but we can build it now. No one is holding us back. No one foot is on us. It's all on us. We just have to do some sacrifices, stick together, teamwork, make the dream work, fam. And we can do this together. Be blessed, continues to prosper. I'm out. Hold on.